Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back again. This is Chef Manish here. Today I'm gonna show you guys one of my featured recipes. We called it ham Rogan Josh. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cook shank over here in this slow cooker, and it's really delicious one, trust me. So let's start now. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sear those lamb shanks first into a pan. Pan looks nice and hot. I'm gonna add some olive oil in there. So as you can see, they're nicely seared up now. Time to transfer them into a bowl. And we're gonna add some more oil in there. Onion's gonna go in there first. We're gonna add some salt. Alright, as you guys can see, they're nice and golden brown now. So we're gonna add our garlic in there, ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies. Next we're gonna add some cumin seeds in and some coriander seeds. We got bowl here. About 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, about 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. We're gonna add some garam masala, red chili powder, that's the hot one, 3 teaspoons of sweet paprika. So we're gonna give this a good mix, some water in there. Now we're gonna add this one into our onions. Our tomatoes now. So about 4 tomatoes. So we're gonna make a fine paste out of it, and then we're gonna add it into our shanks. So while this one is cooking, I'm gonna show you guys what holy spices I'm using here to get flavor in there. So those are the holy spices I'm gonna use it. So 1 bay leaf gonna go in there, just cinnamon, the mace flour, cardamon, black cardamon. We're gonna just crush it through and take the seeds out of it, and few peppercorns gonna go in there as well. That's the fennel seeds gonna go in there. So that's all the spices I'm gonna use in here. I'll make a small bottle. So here I've got my slow cooker set on high heat. Our shanks over here. Now I'm gonna add gravy mix in. So about 1.5 cup of water we're gonna add in. Holy spice bottle is gonna go sit into the salt. Lid on for hour on high heat, and then we're gonna reduce it into low heat and then cook it for 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours. Alright guys, I'm back, and now it's time to check our dish. So go have a look down here. As you can see, I showed you guys this falling part from the bone, really tender and juicy. So now it's time to plate it up. For the garnish, here I've got some fresh coriander, some freshly julienne ginger. That's what's gonna go on top here. Alright guys, now it's time to taste. So good.